What is up, YouTube? It's Tom from Tech Time. Here at Tech Time, we bring you all your tech all the time. So if that's something that interests you, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with our weekly content. How is everybody doing today? Today we're going to get into a couple of cases for the Google Pixel 3 XL, and they from a company called Tudia. This is their Tudia Merge. It's kind of like their two-piece rugged case. It's a polycarbonate and TPU design. And Tudia was nice enough to send these cases out. They've been sending cases out for quite a while now, and they're a big supporter of the channel. So I can bring some cases to show you guys, give you some options on how to protect your phone. Everybody knows nowadays these glass-on-glass little sandwiches that we have, they need to be protected because they are fragile as heck. So I'm going to give you some options today. This is a cheap option too. They're coming in at $8.90 on Amazon, and there's also an 8% coupon, which is going to bring it down a little bit. Not too much because they're already pretty cheap. They come in 4 colors. You're going to get a matte black, a metallic slate, a mint color, and then rose gold, which you have right here. So these are great options. If you don't want to spend too much and you want to get a good amount of protection, these are going to be the cases for you. No screen protector built in or anything like that. So if you're not a big fan of built-in screen protectors, this is also a great option. So like I said, we get the rose gold and the metallic black. We'll get into the metallic black first because that's a color that interests me. Whoa. They come with like little like sandwich baggies. For me, I like it because I go through a lot of cases, so I can just slap them back in there and have no issue. Inside, Tudia Merge, little design. On the back, a little bit of branding, Tudia right there. So that's going to be nice. You know, not too much branding and not a walking billboard, and then all flat black. Really, really nice. Slap it in. Goes in super easy. Buttons are perfect on this thing. Feel really good. Nice design, and you know exactly where the button is on it. Volume rocker is a one-piece volume rocker, but it works good. They do a good job with that. The back, you have a little bit of a recess for the fingerprint sensor, so it's easy to feel where it is. On the top, you get your mic cutout. Down below, you get your USB Type-C cutout, no issues. On the side over here, you get a little bit of cross-hatching, so you have some kind of grip. That's going to help a lot for holding the phone. It has like a slanted design. It shows up. So it does feel good when you're holding it. Doesn't add too much bulk to it either. You have a little bit of a lip. You slap a green glass screen protector on there. You're not going to be, you know, too much above the glass screen protector, but just enough. These are nice cases. Really, all the cutouts around the cameras are nice, and this matte black just looks really sleek. It's been one of my favorite cases. I always rock this case at some point on my phones. All right. Let's get into the rose gold. Pop this baby out. Same thing, different color. Slaps in nice. It's nice and stiff and rigid inside. Fits good. Here's the rose gold color. If you're into that, to me, that's not my favorite color. My girlfriend actually likes this color for some of the cases for her iPhone. Cutouts, all the same. Get your Tudia branding right there. Very minimal. Nice case. This is overall great case, and for $8.90, you can't go wrong. And there's 2 other colors, like I said, metallic slate, and then you also get the mint color if that's something you're looking for a little bit different. But these are really nice, solid buttons, great protection. The polycarbonate on the back is going to help for, you know, dropping it on anything hard. It's going to give that extra bit of protection so you don't break that back glass. Now let's check out and make sure it's wireless charger capable. Pull this down like so. Boom, there it goes. Google, for some reason I can't. I always want to slap it in a different spot than the Google one. Boom, charging, no issues. So you can charge with these cases, no problem. So if that's something that's on your list that you've got to check off, you can check it off with this. Question for you guys, what is your favorite cases and what are you currently rocking on your Google Pixel 3 XL? And then let me know down in the comments, and possibly we have a case giveaway coming up soon, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Until the next time, guys, I'll catch you later. Peace.